Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Chinese with Teacher Mint. Today you will be learning the must-know Chinese phrases for daily life conversations. I'll be using the same 22-word phrases that start with how from the previous video. I'll be adding pu to each of the 2-word phrases so that you can use them easily in your daily life conversations when you want to express phrases that are negative. 不 means do not or not. Instead of 好美, so pretty, so beautiful, when you add 不, it becomes 不美, which means not pretty, not beautiful. Instead of 好帅, so handsome, when you add 不, it becomes 不帅, which means not handsome. Instead of 好快, so fast, when you add 不, it becomes 不快, which means not fast. Instead of 好慢, so slow, when you add 不, it becomes 不慢, which means not slow. Instead of 好暗, so dark, when you add 不, it becomes 不暗, which means not dark. Instead of 好亮, so bright, when you add 不, it becomes 不亮, which means not bright. Instead of 好多, so many or so much, when you add 不, it becomes 不多, which means not many or not much. Instead of 好少, so few, so little, when you add 不, it becomes 不少, which means not a few or not little. Instead of 好大, so big, when you add 不, it becomes 不大, which means not big. Instead of 好小, so small, when you add 不, it becomes 不小, which means not small. Instead of 好吵, so noisy, when you add 不, it becomes 不吵, which means not noisy. Instead of 好静, so quiet, when you add 不, it becomes 不静, which means not quiet. Instead of 好闻, so nice to smell, when you add 不, it becomes 不好闻, which means not nice to smell. Instead of 好咸, so salty, when you add 不, it becomes 不咸, which means not salty. Instead of 好淡, so blunt, so light, so dull, when you add 不, it becomes 不淡, which means not blunt, not light, not dull. Instead of 好冰, so cold or freezing cold, when you add 不, it becomes 不冰, which means not cold or not freezing cold. Instead of 好硬, so hard, when you add 不, it becomes 不硬, which means not hard. Instead of 好软, so soft, when you add 不, it becomes 不软, which means not soft. Instead of 好闷, so bored, when you add 不, it becomes 不闷, which means not bored. Instead of 好难, so difficult, when you add 不, it becomes 不难, which means not difficult. Now is quiz time. For the first question, what do you say if the sofa is not soft? You can say 不软. For the second question, what can you say if someone asks you 咸不咸? The person is asking you, is it salty or not? So you can say 不咸 if it's not salty, 好咸 if it's so salty, or 咸 if it is salty. What can you say if someone asks you 帅不帅 or 美不美? You can say 帅 if it is handsome, 不帅 if it's not handsome, 好帅 if it is so handsome. For 美不美, you can say 美 if it is beautiful or pretty, 不美 if it's not beautiful or not pretty, or 好美 if it is so pretty or so beautiful. What can you say when you want to say not difficult or not bored? You can say 不难 for not difficult, or 不闷 for not bored. What can you say when you want to say that there is not a lot of people or there is not a few people? You can say 人不多 if there is not a lot of people, and you can say 人不少 when there is not a few people. Click on the videos above to learn more Chinese with Teacher Mint.